How about this? A bottle of brandy. It might not be a hot mulled wine, but it's just as good. There you are.
Thank you. Oh, God, that tastes wonderful.
Yeah, that'll warm us up a bit. Ah, well. Boy, being up here in the mountains in the snowstorm, Salem seems like a long way away.
Long with all the unfinished business we have there waiting for us.
Nikki, Vivian, Massan's death. My God. How long before Vivian recovers from the heart attack she had this afternoon?
It's gonna be a few weeks before she gains all her strength back. That's if she doesn't have any more problems.
You feel a lot of compassion for her, don't you?
She's a very sick woman. And I know as a doctor I should probably care about what happens to her, but I don't.
You don't?
No, I don't. I've tried. She stole my son from me.
Katerina, no. It's perfectly natural. You'd feel the anger you do towards her.
And I want to know everything that happened, Lawrence. I want to know how it was done. I want to know who helped her. Most importantly, I want to know how someone could do something so cruel to someone she says she cares so much about.
I don't blame you for wanting to know those answers. I've got a few questions myself. Unfortunately, right now is not the time to pressure Vivian on those things. Not at all. But the most important question's been answered. Thanks to that DNA test.
Yeah, Nikki's our son. No doubt about it.
No doubt whatsoever.
I still can't believe it. I used to dream about it. Even though I knew it was painful, I just wanted him to be alive so desperately. I used to allow myself to dream.
I understand that.
It was just a fantasy, you know. I never expected any of this to come true.
But it did.
Yeah, it did. And I really don't know how to react, you know. I really don't know how to deal with all this.
Well, we do it gradually. We do it together. After all, our son's well-being is at stake.
My son. Sounds good.
Well, it's more than good. It's miraculous.
Miraculous? My goodness, that's a word I'd never think I'd hear coming out of your mouth. I didn't think you believed in miracles.
Well, I've never been part of one before. When I look at Nikki, that's exactly what he is to me, a miracle. Half of you, half of me, created out of our love for one another. Now he's back in our lives after all of these years. My God, that is simply miraculous.
Yeah, it is. You know, I really envy you.
Why?
Because I know Nikki so well.
Well, you just have to catch up, that's all.
I guess I will. Yeah.
Boy, this is burning me up there.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I'll tell you what, I'll try and fill you in on what I know about Nikki.
Yeah?
Sure, just ask away.
Movies. He must love movies. What kind of movies does he like?
All the Disney classics. And anything with ninja in the title is a big hit.
Oh, and ice cream? I know he likes ice cream.
This week, pralines and cream. But I've seen him in more stressful times go through quite a bit of double chocolate fudge.
Oh, yes. Good taste and flexibility. Those are very admirable traits.
He's learning about American sports, football and baseball. We've got a ski trip planned, too.
Really?
We'll be sure to invite you.
There's just so much I want to do with him. So much I want to share.
In time.
I've wasted so much time already. You know that. I just wish that earlier I could have picked up the signs when he first came to town.
What sign?
The physical connection. Lawrence, he's just like you, physically.
In what way?
Well, the way he lowers his head when he's trying to make a point.
He doesn't do that.
Yes, he does do that. And the way he grips his hands when he's concentrating on something.
You're kidding. He does that too?
Yes, he does that. I'd say he's a chip off the old block.
Well, now that you mention it, there's some things in Nikki that remind me of you too.
Really? Like what?
His sensitivity, his compassion, sense of humor. Truly. Truly. No matter how I'm feeling, I just take one look at him and my spirits are lifted. I mean, no matter how badly I feel, I hear that little boy's laugh and I've got a big smile on my face. In my whole life, Katerina, there's only been one other person who could do that to me. That was Nikki's mother. Well, it's not the San Moritz Chalet, but I won't complain. Katerina? What's wrong?
I was just looking at this picture of this family, and it made me realize how much time I'd missed with Nikki.
It's a lovely family. Father, mother, children.
You realize we're never going to have that time back. Those years are gone.
This could have been us. We could have been a family.
Do you really believe that? With the problems we had?
Well, at least we could have had the chance to try. She had no right to take that chance away from us. She had no right to take away us watching our son grow up. Taking away simple things like having him say goodnight, Mom and Dad, I love you.
No, she had no right to do that. But I think the only thing we can do now is just continue to move forward.
That's right, you're right. We have to concentrate on the future. We have to be the best possible parents we can be.
Starting with the task of telling Nikki that we are his parents.
Oh, I can't imagine what it's going to do to him learning that the person he's loved most in this world is responsible for keeping him away from his real parents.
Tearing him apart. Which is why we have to wait until Vivian's a little stronger before we tell him. We have to be here to take care of him.
And there's that other secret, too. We have to factor that into the equation.
Nikki's part in the Sands death.
Exactly. That's a truth that can never be revealed. Are we agreed? Katerina? Please answer me. For our son's sake, no one must ever know about that. Are you willing to protect him at any cost?
Yes, I'm willing.
So am I. Katerina?